Hello everyone, I have another package from China, so let's see what is inside. Sorry guys, if my English is falling apart. I'm just got home after a really exhausting but also really good and blessed week of English Bible camp, what we have in one of the local school. So it is a electric razor, and it's called So White 3D, and according the website it is from TomTop. I hope I pronounce it right. It should be a Xiaomi product. So let's see quickly what is inside the box. I'm not gonna be able to try it how it should be used because I just shaved not long ago, like yesterday. So the packaging seems alright, seems nice. So there is a manual in Chinese in this side and also Chinese in the other side, so I guess it's not gonna be a big help. So there is a USB and some kind of this weird shape cable. I would prefer a micro USB or USB-C cable, but I guess that will do it. It doesn't sound to be anything else in the box, and probably is nothing else in the box. So here is this electric shaver. I'm not an expert in electric shavers because I only had one, a cheap one, probably last year I bought one, but that was like crap. So here is the trimmer part. Actually I can feel already that it's a much better quality than what I used to have. Okay, and it's already working, and I really like it as a display that it's 99%. It's a 99%. If everything is right, I might be able to. Yes, it's. I can adjust the speed, and this little animation here just showing the speed, and I can go back to the slower. And I think that's it. Like, okay, I might try it on my hand how much it's worth. Yeah, I can definitely see a part here where it's shaved nicely. I'm not gonna shave my whole hand. So I guess that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.